In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to log into Deepseek website using your iPhone step by step. First of all, open the Safari or your preferred browser. On your iPhone, let me open the Google and tap on search. Here, go to Deepseek website, type in www.deepseek.com and hit search. Once the site loads, look for the login or sign in button. Here, simply tap on start now. Now you will be on your login screen. Now just enter your email address and password. Once you have entered your email and password, simply tap on login and you will be logged in to your Deepseek account. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.